So the total money in all the 5 machines will be $400, okay? So that means if you convert this into quarters, right, you're going to need 1,600 quarters, right, in order to get a value of $400, right? And I know that in the 4 vending machines, there were, right, 400, 280, 360, and 240 quarters. So adding them all together, right, here you get 18, 2, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 1,280 quarters. So then if you subtract 1,600 and 1,280, right, you end up getting 320, okay? Or yes, 320. So this is how many quarters are in the 5th vending machine. So 5th vending machine is 320. Now, if you have 320, right, and you multiply by 0.25, you'll end up getting how much this is in terms of the dollars, right? Doing so, you end up getting $80 worth, okay? Now, if you were to have estimated this instead, right, you would estimate the 400 as it is, the 280 to 300, right? So you would estimate 400 plus 280 is now 300, 360 is now 400, and 240 is now 200, right? So adding these numbers together, you get 4, 8, 10. So you end up getting 1,300, right? So then 1,600 minus 1,300, you end up getting 300 quarters, right? So it's a very good estimate with compared to the actual value here. Then in each step, I just use pencil and paper because calculators aren't necessary just to do this step, right? All you have to do is add this, right? And here you just have to multiply by 0.25.